In this video, I am going to show you a free way to make money online. This method is extremely easy that anyone can do. You don't need any type of skill or you don't need to put some investment. It is literally a free way to make money online, and I am going to show you each and everything in this video. So watch this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel, and if you think this video added some value to your life, then please do like this video. Now, without doing any delay, let's get started. In order to make money online, you firstly need something that you can sell. Now, I'm not saying you need to create your own product. Instead, what you can do is you can join the site like clickbank.com or digistore24.com, and then you can sign up to this site. Now, these sites are basically affiliate network where you can find your specific affiliate link to promote any product that is inside this platform. And if you are able to make sales, then you are going to get paid a pre-decided amount of money. And it is extremely simple to sign up to ClickBank and Digistore. Just visit to clickbank.com, click on start here and follow their step-by-step instruction, and within 2 minutes you will be able to create your own account on ClickBank. Similarly, in case of Digistore24, just type digistore24.com and click on register now, and within 1 minute you will be able to create your own account on Digistore. Once you create your both account, then what you can do is simply click on login, and you will see somewhat this kind of interface, and you can just click on this marketplace and then just type weight loss in this search bar. Now you will see here are various products that you can promote. You can simply click on this promote button and you will get your specific affiliate link, through which if you made some sales, then you are going to get paid average commission of $43 in this one product. If you bring one sale, you are going to get an average commission of this much. It can be higher or little bit lower also. Okay, similarly you can promote this product and on this type of commission. Similarly, there are other products too that you can check. So here are some of the products that do not have any recent sales, that's why it is showing like this, but you can check here. There are lots of products that you can promote. So let's just randomly select this product for now from ClickBank. Now what you can do is, when you create your Digistore24 account, then you can log into Digistore24 and you will see somewhat this kind of interface. It is similar to ClickBank. Okay, and you can just click on this marketplace. You don't need to use both network. Okay, and once you click on this marketplace after logging into Digistore24, then you can again type here weight loss and you will find several products that you can promote. Okay, you can simply click on this promote now button and you will get your specific affiliate link. You can scroll below and see how much commission you can make with these products, and you can select any product that you want to promote. Just click on promote now, and then this is your affiliate link. Just copy this link. In case of ClickBank, let's select this product and just click on promote and then click on create hop link, and this is going to be your affiliate link. So once you have your affiliate link, then visit to a special site that is called bit.ly.com and click on sign up for free. Okay, once you create your account on Bitly, which takes like 30 seconds to create, and you will see this kind of interface, and you can click on this create your first link, or you can also click on this create new. So let's click on this create your first link for now. Now here you need to put your affiliate link from ClickBank or Digistore. So let's go only with one affiliate network. Okay, so let's go with ClickBank. Let's copy this link again. This is your affiliate link for this product. Now you can just paste your affiliate link at here in this way and then click on create. Now you can give a title to this link. So for that, what you can do is again go to ClickBank and copy this product name. And then come to Bitly and give it as a title so that you know which product from ClickBank it is. Okay, and then just click on save. So now you can see here is the name of the product from ClickBank, and here is your special shortened URL of your affiliate link. So this is your affiliate link, and now if you paste this link and someone clicks on this link, then they will visit to this link. So let's copy this link for now. Once you have copied your link, then you need people to be clicking on this link, otherwise you are not going to make any money. Okay, so that's why you need people to come to this link for absolutely free. And for that, what you can do is just visit to a site that is called minds.com, minds.com. Now let me show you how much people visit to this site on a monthly basis. And you can see a total of 1.1 million people visit to this site on a monthly basis. And most people who visit to these sites are from United States, 36%, and 6% is from Canada, 5% is from India, UK 3%, Thailand 14%. So this site is going to be a perfect place from where you can get lots of people to click that link that you have created inside Bitly. Now once you visit to minds.com, just click on this join now and create your free account on minds.com. You don't need to pay anything. It is absolutely free to create account on minds.com, and it will take you like 1 minute to create your account on minds.com. And once you have created your account on minds.com, then just click on this login, and then you will see somewhat this kind of interface. So maybe this is not selected at the time you just log into minds.com. Maybe this is selected, so just select newsfeed, and then we are going to promote a product that is related to weight loss. That's why what we need is an image that represents something that is closely related to weight loss. Now in that case, what you can do is you can simply search on Google weight loss before and after. Okay, these are some of the popular images that you can use in the sector of losing weight. Okay, those people who are interested in losing weight, then they are most likely interested in these kind of pictures. So you can just click on any of these pictures and just click on this save image as, and then you will be able to save this image in your desktop or laptop in an easy way. Once you do that much, then again go to minds.com and click on this speak your mind. Now simply click on this upload button, and then go to desktop where you have saved this image, and just click on this image and click on open. Now as you can see, the image is uploaded. Now you need to give a title for this image. Just click on this title and you will see a space here where you can write the title. Now your title need to be a bit catchy, okay, that catches the attention of people. So either you can create a title by yourself, or what you can do is you can visit to the actual product page, okay, product sales page that you are promoting, and watch everything on what they are telling in the headline and use that headline here. Okay, or you can simply type something that is a bit catchy that people whenever people see this, then they may be attracted to such headline. Okay, that kind of headline title you can write at here. So now you need to write a small description. Okay, you can write the description that correlates to this title. Okay, whatever you can think of, you can write that attracts people, okay, to click your link. And once you type this description, then just give a little bit space and just type know more or learn more or watch video, and give the link that you have created inside from Bitly, which is this one. Just copy it and paste it after this know more. Once you finish doing this much, then just scroll below and click on this tags and just type weight loss. Anything related to losing weight loss, you can just type, and you will get pre-populated results. You can select anything that is related to the product that you are promoting, and once you insert all the tags, then just click on, you can add up to 5 tags. Okay, just click on save tags. Once this much is done, then you can simply click on post, and your post will look something like this. Now people can read your title, see your image, read your description, and they can click on your link. So now as you have noticed that I have changed this link completely from Bitly. Now what happens sometime when you use the link from Bitly, then it will say this is a spam. Sometimes when you use the link directly from ClickBank, like this link, then also it says it is a spam. And sometimes whenever you use this Digistore24 link, then they will say that is also spam, but it will not say all of these are spam. One link will absolutely work, either it is from ClickBank, Bitly, or maybe it is from Digistore24. Just check out those links, okay, so that you can post your post in this way. And in case if any of the three links didn't work, then what you can do is you can find other URL shortener like Bitly. Just type Bitly alternative and you'll find hundreds of other URL shortener that you can use to create a short link of your affiliate link. And just after posting one post, don't think that you are going to get sales immediately. Keep on posting 20 to 30 posts after a few days, okay, daily, on a daily basis. Make some 2 to 3 posts on a consistent basis, and soon you will start to see money coming into your ClickBank account and Digistore account. So guys, altogether I wanted to show you this much in this video. I hope you like this video. So take care, have a great life ahead, and keep making money online. And if you want to watch more interesting videos that are related to making money online, then I have handpicked my previous best YouTube videos that are related to making money online and kept all of those in the description of this YouTube video. You can check that. So take care, have a great life ahead. Bye bye.